Usapang Dentista. Yes. And on this video, this is a continuation, Doki, ng ginawa nating video the last week about why you need to stop smoking and what are their effects in your oral health.
Yes.
And on this topic, we will be discussing about the difference between vaping and smoking cigarettes. And we will show you, just like our message on our previous video, and do watch that, that is smoking, whether vaping or smoking cigarettes, have the same results. Okay, so number one, ang concern namin, mga mamaps and papaps, is there was a law that passed that allows
as young as 18 years old.
Yes, 18 years
pwede
old.
mag-purchase
ng vapes. Yes. And although, alam mo naman dito sa politika.
Kind of concerning kasi dapat tinaas mo nila yung age required para, di ba sa iba mas 21 years old?
Correct.
Bakit?
Kasi nga, the world is run by money. And, you know, that's the way it is. And often, ang argument dyan is that it is really the choice of the individual whether to have this habit or not. And honestly, mga dokis, as na nabuking ako last video, I do smoke. You know, although I don't promote it. Because sa akin, decision ko yon as an adult, but I don't promote it for other people, na kayo mga mamas and papaps, to do that, especially those who are really young. Ayan, oo. And that's why it is concerning. Ano nga ulit, the Republic Act, ito
11900.
Yes, that allows anyone 18 and above to buy vape. Okay, so let's go directly, Doki, kung ano ang false security na akala nila binibigay sa vape and yet merong effect sa health.
Yeah. So first and foremost, doktora, is yung nicotine mismo.
Okay.
Alam mo kasi ang problema, vape is packaged as something na parang very colorful, parang pambata, parang safe, parang candy, gano'n, may ibang flavor. But in reality talaga, doktora, is punong-puno siya ng nicotine. And it does creates problem for your heart, for your lungs. Ito yung mga nakakos bakit meron tayo mga lung cancer, or mas maaga tayo nagkaroon ng mga cardiac diseases, dahil nga naman sa pag-ingest ng mga nicotine products. What I hate about this is parang dahil nga yung lasa ng vape ay very sweet, very palatable sa mga kabataan, yung frequency ng paggamit mo ng vape kasi, which is para sa akin ang sama. Kasi dahil nga masarap, ulit ka na ulit, hindi mo napapansin na parang andal mo na palang na-intake. And thus, yun nagkakreate ng problema in the long run.
Okay. Now, I have a personal experience on that because, as I've said, I'm not a proud smoker, but I do smoke. And ang mga problema dyan, mamaps and papaps, you end up trying vape because you pretend you're going to stop smoking. Yeah. Pero, mga mamaps and papaps, if the smoker does not really make a decision to stop smoking, no vape will help the smoker to stop smoking. In fact, ako nagiging combination na ngayon, which is even worse.
Sabay ba't no? Isa-isa?
Hindi naman. Kaya lang ibig kong sabihin, for areas na ayaw mong mag-amoy ka, then you do the vaping. And sometimes, yun nga problema, because the nicotine stains, and generally, yung mga available has a lower nicotine stains, and for serious smokers like me, ang tendency, hindi niya nakukuha agad yung craving for yung masatisfy ka. Yes. Na ang tendency niya, nagiging frequent talaga yung pag-hit mo because precisely hindi mo nakukuha agad yung satisfaction na binibigay ng nicotine addiction. Now, the thing is, yun nga, nagkakaroon ka ng false security na okay lang na mag-vape ka. But in the end, it's still is smoking. And the problem with, ano yung sabi mo, Doc, na content niya?
Propylene glycol.
Okay. Anong ginagawa niya
propylene glycol is the one who causes yung smoke effect ng
yan. Di ba? Yung iba, aliw na aliw pa. Para bang,
tuwan-tuwa
sila sa mga... Kasi ang feeling kasi nila cool eh. Di ba? Looks cool. Okay.
Ito, medyo may tricks. Pero kaya ito kasi, ang problema naman sa propylene glycol is, dahil nga nakikreate ng smoke, tinutuyo naman yung ipin, yung mismong enamel natin. And thus, creates acid para tunawin yung, or mag-decalcify, or demineralize yung ipin, kaya humihina. Also, dahil sa usap na to, dahil na-dehydrate yung mismong ipin natin, yung attachment din ng gums natin sa ipin, talagang namabawasan eh. Kaya mapapansin mo yung mga smoker, ang taas ng dilagit eh.
Magkakaroon ng recession.
Gum recession. Kasi nga, nakatanggal nga yung kapit ng gums sa ipin.
Correct. And as I've said, mga mamaps and papaps, sa experience ko sa vape, alam nyo, hindi siya mura. Like, ganun din ang sigarilyo, diba? It's not cheap anymore, unlike before. Now, ang problema sa vape, minsan, dahil nga hindi siya mura, you try to find on sale in online shops. And sometimes, hindi legitimate yung nabibenta sa'yo. Okay? And because of that, in all honesty, mga mamaps and papaps, mas inuubo ako sa vape kaysa sa actual cigarettes.
Actually.
Kasi pagka nagkamali ka nga ng bili nung pod na tinatawag, at or minsan may refill pa yan para makatipid ka at bumibili ka ng juice niya, ang tendency niyan is that pag may mali yung hit-hit mo, mas nauubo ka. And according to certain studies, this is even more dangerous to your lungs because dahil mist siya, nakikreate siya, and it causes moisture in your lungs.
Yeah, Doctor, I want to add, parang ang problema rin kasi sa vape right now is dahil kapag nagpapads ka, hindi mo naman talaga nalalaman kung ubos mo na.
Correct.
Yung inihitit mo. What if pag sigarilyo, alam mo, ubos na. What if pag sobrang kakahit, hindi mo nakukuha, iba yung nakukuha mo, yung poisonous part na, yung sulog na part na ng vape mo. And mas nakaka-damage or nagkakaroon ka ng lung problem.
Correct. So, another thing na, ang difference lang naman ng cigarettes to vape is kasi nga yung cigarettes mabaho. Okay? Ang vape, dahil mist siya, at saka may mga flavor siya, hindi siya maamoy. Diba? Kung may amoy man, hindi kasing sama ng cigarettes. However, may disadvantage din yung flavor na yon. At ano yun, Doc?
Vegetable glycerin, Doktora.
Correct.
O yung mga ginagawa pang sugar ng iba-ibang mga food. Kung Doktora, diba, if you don't want cavities or caries inside your mouth, diba kinakat mo yung sugar. Pero hindi mo nakakat dahil nga sa vaping. Yung dahil nga sa flavor ng vape, yung nagkakos bakit tayo nagkakaroon mas maraming cavity, but nagkakaroon tayo mas, parang ang sticky ng laway mo, ang sticky ng ngipin mo, is dahil lahat yun sa glycerin na kinocontain ng vaping.
Correct. Ayan, kasi nga, it is like eating, candy all the time to the point na, and then, of course, dahil nga meron pa siyang content na tends to dry or dehydrate your enamel, yung buto ng ngipin nyo, mga mamams and papaps, ang tendency niya, talagang nagiging prone siya to develop caries. Okay. Now, sa cigarettes naman, it's more on the nicotine stains. Ayan. So, mga mamams and papaps, we hope you like this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up, like this video, and
subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Yes.
Share and
comment below. Ayan. Si Doc Ray talaga.
Perfect ako yun.
Yes. Okay. So, another difference, Doc, minsan ng vape and cigarettes.
Ano ba? Ayun nga. Siguro, yun nga eh. For me, kasi ang dami kasi unknown chemicals na contain ng mga vape juices na hindi nila dinidisclose. May ibang mga pang anti-freeze, may ibang ginagamit sa ibang mga mas kapag industrial type ng gum, na hindi talaga angkop para sa body natin. Pero syempre, dahil food and safety ng mga tao, ganyan, iba na yung pinapalabas nila. Kaya for me, if you're gonna use vape, make sure na go to a legitimate source, hindi yung kung sino-sino lang. Kasi ang dami lumalabas eh. And thus, alam mo yun, parang mayroon na balitaan sa States na parang may mga batang bumili ng fake na vape. 17 years old, tapos parang sabi ng doctor, meron siyang lung of a 40-year-old. Ganun kalala yung naging damage. Kasi nga, fake type of vape yung ginamit. Iba-iba yung chemicals na nilagay. Mas nagkaroon pa siya ng malalang damage. Nasugit.
Ayan, kasi nga ganito yan.
Hindi ko na alam.
Ganito nga kasi yan, mga mamaps and papaps. Okay? Of course, it's a business. Okay? And then, mas stricto kasi ang cigarettes. Diba? And so, of course, we are talking about business of tobacco and at the same time, the business of vaping. In fact, mga mamas and papaps, if you remember, when vaping was first released, they said that you can use that while traveling, in the airplane, and all this. Yes. Hindi lang yon. It was considered to be legal to be used everywhere. Yun yung kanilang advertising before, bago nilagay yung restrictions. Kaya ang bilis nung kanyang pagiging popular, because in the end, pwede pala siyang gamitin in other areas, even for non-smoking areas. So, and again, this is now promoted to young people na parang cool siyang gawin and that it is not as dangerous as cigarettes.
Kaya nga, Doktor, para for me, parang naging gateway ito sa mga tao ayaw mag-rinyo. And thus, we give them reason, dahil may vape naman tayo naman.
Yes, kasi ang feeling nila, it is not as bad as cigarettes. But in fact, mga mamaps and papaps, what I feel, what vape solve is the smell. Ayun yun, I think. And then, kasi yun yung pangit sa sigarilyo talaga eh, yung amoy. So, and because this has a good taste and then produces mist. So, and then wala pang kalat, 'di ba? Kasi wala kang tinataktak and all of those things. However, meron pa rin tinatawag na plastic dun sa pod that this is also a waste that we throw away and it is not good to the environment.
Microplastics.
Correct. Yun nga yun.
Microplastics sa mga vape, no? Kasi, Doktora, di ba, habang nainit na yung vape or yung mismong cartridge ng vape mo, meron doon natutunan or lumalabas sa mga microplastic na nai-ingest or nai-inhale mo, and thus having problems with your lungs. Imagine mo, Doktora, yung mga imagine mo gano'ng kadaming microplastic na hihigit mo araw-araw kaka-vape mo. Correct.
Kaya nga, mga mamaps and papaps, pareho lang sila.
There's no,
yes.
lesser evil.
Mas iba lang ang packaging. I think the difference is yun nga, smell. Iba ang packaging niya. And then, parang mas well accepted yung isa kasi much cooler. Kasi mapapansin mo, mga K-dramas ngayon, lalo na ako, K-drama addict, hindi na nila pinapakita na naninigarilyo yung mga sa scenes, di ba? Because they're trying to really encourage people to stop smoking. However, mas...
Lalo ako tinuturo mo ako.
Hindi. Recently nga, merong isang sikat na artista dito sa Pilipinas na nahuling nagbe-vape. Ayan.
Nagbe-vape?
Oo, nagbe-vape. Okay. Now, ang reaction nila, hindi masyado kasing lakas kung nahuli siyang naninigarilyo. However, she's, para sa akin as a smoker, I will not be a hypocrite to judge her of what she's doing kasi it's her own time, may edad na siya, pinambili naman niya yung ginamit niya na yun, she can decide on her own. And personally, kung ako tatanungin nyo, as I've said, paulit-ulit, do not start smoking. Yes. However, as a smoker myself, ang contention ko lang talaga is provide us a good place to smoke comfortably kasi as adults
Okay.
na nag-decide, 'di ba? Kasalanan namin 'yan eh. Pag namatay kami, wala kaming ibang sisisihin na pag nagka-oral lesion ka, nagka-cancer ka, wag kang manisi kung bakit ka nagkaganon.
O kabandamay ng
correct, ng iba. Now, kaya lang, we are also people. So, unlike abroad, that they, kasi siguro I think the reason why they do not like to provide a comfortable location to really also become a hindrance for smokers to stop smoking.
Yeah,
however, as I've said, we are already adults. Katulad ng artista na nahuli na nagbe-vape, adult na siya. So, it's really her choice. But, for young ones and yung mga never pa talaga, do not try it anymore. There's nothing really good about doing it. And whether you vape or you smoke cigarettes, it's the same result. It is bad for your health. Ayan. So, ayan mga mamas and papaps, we hope you understand the difference between vaping and smoking. And coming from a smoker myself, I am already telling you, it is not good to start. Ayan.
Sige na, Tora. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!